Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your POCO F8 Pro. So, if you're using USB-C headphones, then you can clean the charging port. As you guys know, it's at the bottom because dust can block a lot of the connection. Next, you guys can restart your phone. So, all you guys have to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Do not hold it, just press it. And now swipe down to reboot. Now the phone will be restarting, and I'll see you guys once it restarts completely. Now, after restarting your phone, you need to make sure that you are using an original or a certified adapter if you're using one for the 3.5mm jack. Now, if you don't, then what you guys can do is test another pair of headphones, either with an adapter or just the USB-C ones. And next, what you guys can do is update your phone software, but we'll get back to that later. Now, for the Bluetooth headphones, we can turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's go to settings. My Bluetooth is already turned off, so I'll turn it on. Now I'll turn it off and wait a couple of seconds. And now we just turn it back on. So what we can do next is, if we have paired our headphones already, then we can forget them and repair them in the same exact settings. But first we need to make sure that they are charged up to 100%, because once my headphones were at 60 or 70% and they just wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then they did. So keep that in mind. Now, make sure to avoid the device interference too, because whenever you're using another device with the same headphones, then maybe the headphones are connected there and not to the device that you want to use them on. So keep that also in mind, and as a last resort, update your phone software to fix any glitches. So this is the last step for both of the USB-C headphones and the Bluetooth headphones. Now go to About Phone and go to Xiaomi HyperOS. Now, no updates are available for me, but this is where you can check if you have any update available. If you do, then you will see the update and install button here, but if you don't, then you're good to go. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.